Yo, what's up? Yeah, this is Kuya Rene Boy, guys. For today's meeting, I'm going to teach you on how to sell Grease AI. I know most of you guys are looking for a freelance job. This is going to be your stepping stone. If you really want to work from home, Grease AI, you can do selling in Grease AI. Okay, this is not just the typical commission-based job that you can have because there's a potential or there's an eligibility requirement that you can earn $5 per hour hourly rate. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about Grease AI. Okay, Grease AI is stands for Knowledge Resource Intelligent Search System. It's a dynamic dental chatbot that provides insights and personalized care around the patient experience. Okay, sino dito guys yung gumagamit ng ChatGPT? Okay? Comment sa baba. Sino dito yung mga gumagamit ng ChatGPT? Yun. So yun guys, no? Shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Comment naman kayo guys kung taga saan kayo at yun, anong city or kung anong country kayo nanonood ngayon. Okay, comment sa baba. So yeah, Chris AI guys, medyo malaki po yung potential. It's going to give a lot of opportunity for you to earn at home. Like what I mentioned earlier, this is not just a commission-based job, but there's a potential for you to earn a monthly salary or hourly rate. Okay, $5 per hour. Good news guys, dahil napakaswerte ng batch na nanonood ngayon or nandito ngayon, kasi kayo po yung makaka-experience na napakababang requirement para maging eligible sa $5 per hour. Okay? So, kung magtatrabaho kayo ng 8 hours per day, 40 hours per week, magkano yun guys in 1 month? Do the math, di ba? Kung naka $5 per hour. And ang kagandahan dyan, kapag naka 50 sales kayo, magiging eligible kayo sa $12 per hour na hourly rate. And kapag naka 100 sales kayo, eligible kayo ngayon sa $25 per hour na hourly rate. Okay? On top dyan, yung mga commission pa rin. Hindi mawawala yung mga commission natin dito. So, I'm here guys para ipakita sa inyo yung earning potential ni Clicks AI and kung paano kayo makakabenta through DM. Okay? So, hindi kayo magtatawag guys, hindi kayo mapapagod mag-cold calling kasi alam ko yung iba sa inyo may experience na sa pagko-cold calling, hindi po to ganun. Okay? Pwede po kayo magbenta ng Chris AI through chat lang. Okay, so mag-approach tayo ng mga dental clinic owners, derma, kasi good thing about Chris AI is it's not just limited to dental clinic. As long as you're tapping or approaching any healthcare industries, okay, like derma, med spa, basta under ng may mga medical services, pwede po tayo magbenta ng Chris AI. Okay? So, just to give you a heads up, guys, Chris AI is a purely chatbot that can automate the operation of what they call this of a dental clinic or kahit anong clinic pa yan. Okay? So, yung chatbot na to, i-integrate sa website nila, tapos automatic may magre-respond sa mga customers nila 24/7. Okay, Sarah, pag-usapan natin. Let's talk about the benefits of Quiz AI on the latter part of this training. Quiz AI is an advanced AI-powered system designed to enhance patient experience, streamline operations, and improve communication within a dental practice. Okay, AI-powered system designed to enhance patient experience. Okay, imagine guys, if that clinic is using AI, hindi siya napag-iwanan. Okay? That clinic is not left behind. Kasi guys, if you have heard about the news recently, a lot of people, a lot of companies are talking about AI around the world. Even the president of the US, Donald Trump, 'di ba? Naglabas sila ng news or ng balita that he's going to put $500 billion for AI infrastructure. Ganun po kasi talaga kahalaga ang AI ngayon. So especially kung yung mga business or yung mga companies ngayon gumagamit na sila ng AI, gustong-gusto na po nilang nakakasabay ngayon. Okay? Kaya kapag AI na po yung usapan ngayon, talagang nababaliw. yung mga companies ngayon. So, yeah, this is the reason kung bakit hindi kayo mahihirapang mag-pitch or mag-sell ng Chris AI. Okay? So, key features of Chris AI, 24/7 availability. Yeah, provide support anytime, even on holidays and weekends. Ensures that customers never have to wait for assistance. Yeah, there are cases that some of the customers might complain. Yeah, they're saying like I've been waiting for how many hours? 3 hours, and I'm not receiving any response from this clinic. Yeah, that's bullshit. Something like that. So, kung yung clinic na yon may AI, hindi na sila mamumroblema sa pag-reply sa mga customers nila kasi automated 24/7 may taga-reply sa mga social media platforms nila. Diba? So, conversational smart chatbot. So, chatbot siya and smart chatbot to. Hindi lang to basta-basta chatbot, guys. Understands and responds to the customer inquiries in real time. They can fully understand the concern of your customer. Learns from interactions to improve future responses, like a 7-year-old um like a 7-year-old boy trying to learn everything. It's like a quiz AI. Okay? Kasi lahat ng mga responses and tag dito, nade-develop po yung knowledge or datasets sa loob ng AI. Nag-i-improve siya time to time. Okay? It can communicate in multiple languages. So if you're planning to sell Chris AI inside the Philippines, kahit anong language yan, Ilonggo, Bisaya, Cebuano, sa Mindanao, it can, pwedeng-pwede nila magamit si Chris AI. Okay? If you are planning to sell this around the world, Japan, Germany, lahat po, kompleto po yung language ni Chris AI. Especially English, of course. So, um, next one is, yeah, conversational, company specific, instant patient interaction. Chris AI answers patient questions and provides accurate dental procedures 24/7. Saves time for staff, automates basic inquiries so staff can focus on more important tasks. Okay, company specific siya, guys. Kumbaga, alibawa, Ready Boy Dental Clinics purchase or subscribe into Chris AI. Lahat ng mga magiging responses ng Chris AI is nakabase po sa company niya or sa dental clinic niya. Okay, lahat ng mga data or information sa clinic na yon, i-input po natin yan dun sa AI. So, magiging company specific siya. All of the pricing, costing, policies, rules, dental practices of that particular dental clinic, yun po yung magiging responses nung Chris AI sa mga customers nila. So, ganun natin siya ipipitch sa mga customers. Industry specific. Okay, industry specific, guys. When we say AI or artificial intelligence, this is a learning machine. Okay? Sometimes it's reactive, sometimes it's generative. Okay? So, yung mga nakikita ninyo or yung ginagamit ninyo on a daily basis like ChatGPT, PERT, that's what we call LLM. Okay? Large language model. There are two types, large language model and small language model AI. Okay? Yung large language model, it requires billions of data sets para mag-function katulad ng ChatGPT. Okay? And medyo broad in general yung mga information na nandun. When we say small language model AI, dito pumapasok si Chris AI kasi naka-industry specific siya. Okay? So, it requires unique data sets na naka-specify sa certain industry. For example, dental clinic, medical industry, like med spa, derma, mga ganyan. Yung AI na yon ay naka-specify sa industry lang na yon. Kaya small language model. Good thing about small language model, mabilis siyang mag-calculate ng responses. Okay? Kasi nga, yun lang yung knowledge base na meron siya and madali siya makakapag-reply or respond sa mga customers. Okay? So, healthcare knowledge. Chris AI understands dental and healthcare terms, offering relevant responses for post-care patients. Understands medical terminology. Chris AI is tailored for dental clinics and healthcare industries, easily comprehending medical terms, procedures, and treatment. Okay? So, yeah, since industry-specific si Chris AI, mas madali niyang mare-replyan yung mga customers and accurate po yung mga medical terminology na sasabihin niya. And since company specific din siya, nakabase po yung responses ng clinic na yon, nakabase po yun sa mga pricing, sa costing, kung sino yung clinic na mag-a-avail. Nakadepende po yun sa company nila. Sila rin po yung mag input ng dataset dun sa AI na ibibilhin nila. Okay? Itong Chris AI. Okay, let's talk about the do's and don'ts here in Quiz AI. Number one, to understand the product. Be knowledgeable about Quiz AI and its features, including how it helps dental clinics automate responses, schedule appointments, and customize replies based on business policies. And just to give you a clear expectation, Quiz AI is purely chatbot. Okay, it doesn't do automation like creating appointment scheduling. No, Quiz AI cannot do that. Only chatbot responses. Okay? Number two, do focus on the benefits. Yeah, yung mga benefits ng Quiz AI. Yung nabanggit ko kanina, it can enhance patient experience, seamless experience, kasi hindi na nila kailangan mag-antay ng matagal kasi pero nagre-reply ng mabilis dun sa website nila. Okay? So, highlight the value of Quiz AI brings to dental clinics such as improving efficiency, reducing response times, ayun, yung kabagalan, mag-reply, and enhancing customer service. Tailor these benefits to the specific needs of your prospect. Do use Grease Buddy. Okay, later we will be talking about the Grease Buddy. This is going to be the useful tool that you can use whenever you're going to sell Grease AI. Sino dito yung mga call center agent na before may mga experience na? Comment sa baba. Grease Buddy guys is like a knowledge base tool na magagamit ninyo. And AI din po siya. Okay, AI din po si Chris Buddy na magbibigay sa inyo ng mga accurate and effective responses to your customers or clients. Okay, when you start selling Chris AI. Number four, do tailor your pitch to the audience. Understand the needs of your potential clients, dental clinic owners, and personalize your sales pitch to address their specific pain points or goals. Every clinic may have different requirements. Number five, do be patient and attentive. Allow your prospects time to understand the product and respond to their questions patiently. Make sure you address all their concerns clearly and thoroughly. Okay, kapag may mga questions po, I mean, pag may mga concern po yung mga client ninyo, ilista po ninyo. Okay? Tapos, bigyan nyo po sila ng sapat na oras para mag-isip-isip kung bibiliin po ba nila agad yung Chris AI. Siyempre, when it comes to sales, hindi po palagi na hard selling agad yung gagawin niyo. You should learn how to build relationship din sa mga customers natin. Okay, hindi lang approach, benta agad. Okay, sometimes meron mga strategy. Okay, you need to strategize kung paano kayo makakabenta. Kasi most of the time kapag nag-message kayo sa mga dental clinic owners sa Facebook page, sa LinkedIn, sa Instagram, hindi agad-agad yan is interesado sa email marketing, sa mga, alam mo yun, sa mga marketing response natin about sa pagbebenta. Most of the time, talagang nare-reject or hindi nila pinapansin. Unlike kung makikipag-usap kayo, makikipag-friends kayo, especially kung non-decision maker yung makakausap ninyo, try to build some rapport or makipag-usap muna kayo before before doing or selling the Chris AI. Okay? Let's talk about the don'ts. Don't speak in Tagalog, number one. Always communicate in English using Chris Body. Okay? Even though you're selling it here locally in the Philippines, you should speak in English. But yeah, if your client or customer is requiring you to speak in Tagalog, then that's the time you can speak in Tagalog. Okay? Don't use quote marks or quotation marks. Kasi yung crease body guys, meron siyang mga quote marks. Kasi nga nagbibigay siya ng mga responses kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa customer. I-remove mo lang yon, okay? Para maging natural at personalize yung message mo. At hindi kinuha kung saan saan. Okay? Don't overwhelm with info. Focus on key benefits and keep it simple. Okay, syempre, wag natin guys, alam mo, bombardin. Do not bombard your customer or client with a lot of information about Chris AI kasi magtutunog na hard selling talaga siya. Okay? Pwede ninyong isa-isahin, pakunti-kunti. Make it simple, yung mga responses natin para hindi tunog na talagang trying hard tayo magbenta. Okay? Number 4, don't speak in Tagalog sa Chris AI Skype GC. Okay, later on guys, kapag na-certify ko kayo, ililipat ko kayo sa GC na kung saan nandun po yung mga hired sales representative natin. Okay, and nakagandahan dito, meron po tayong cash competition. Okay, cash competition. And nakagandahan dyan, pati si Kuya Rene Boy, magbibigay din ako ng cash incentive sa unang makakabenta. Napakaswerte nyo kasi ngayon pa lang kung sino ang unang makakabenta ng Chris AI dito sa live na to, meron kang 3K sa akin. Okay? 'Di ba? Yun yung solid. Masaya dito guys kasi alam nyo ba guys na agree ba kayo na ang pera, money is in sales talaga. Okay, wala po siya sa mga basic salary na nakukuha natin sa 8 to 5 na trabaho kasi naka-fix yung kikitain natin. Kung ano yung tinrabaho natin sa isang buwan, limited lang yung kikitain natin talaga. Unlike kapag pinasok natin yung mundo ng sales, andito talaga yung potential income. Mamaya explain ko sa inyo yung compensation. Okay? Number 5, don't neglect follow-up. Okay, always follow up to ensure satisfaction and build relationship. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. There are times na yung client na yun, ilista mo lang, itabi mo lang, pwede mo silang balikan the next day sa ibang araw para mag-present ng Clarice AI. Okay, wag po tayo mapanghinaan ng loob kasi pwede nating balikan. Kasi syempre, since chat lang naman tayo, hindi lahat or hindi naman palaging active or magre-reply sa inyo yung client na yan or customer. Pero syempre, kung nakachamba kayo, active, gusto makipagkwentuhan, that's a good lead. Okay, warm lead na yan agad. Okay, so what are the benefits of Quiz AI? Ayun, enhance patient engagement, provides patients with immediate answers, improving satisfaction and trust. Kasi matutuwa yung customer nung clinic na yan kasi nga meron palaging nagre-reply sa clinic nila. Biruin nyo si Chris AI, kaya niya makapag-provide ng step-by-step procedure kung anong gagawin mo pag masakit ipin mo. Kapag gusto mo ng veneers, ito yung presyo, may mga pagpipilian ka ng mga option, paano ba yung procedure ng root canal, mga ganun-ganun guys, di ba? Sobrang galing ni Chris AI. Cost effective din siya. Why? Reduces administrative burdens and staffing costs. Imagine, if that clinic is paying 2 receptionists, di ba? Nagbabayad siya ng 2 receptionists, pwede niyang bawasan ng isang receptionist kasi meron na nagre-reply sa social media or sa website automatically. Yun yung kagandahan. Mababawasan kung nagpapasahod siya ng 16K or 18K per month para dun sa tao na yon, malaki yung matitipid niya with Chris AI. Okay? So, ganito yung mga pwede nyo gawing pitch dun sa client ninyo or sa customer ninyo. So, how Chris AI works. So, scenario 1. So, ito, mga scenario and use cases, guys. Kapag may nag-chat sa Chris AI, a patient asks about a root canal procedure, Chris AI provides a step-by-step explanation, alleviating fears and building trust. Scenario 2, a patient considering veneers for cosmetic improvement asks Chris AI about the procedure. Okay. Ito, mga sample scenario lang to. Scenario 3, a patient wants to know about teeth whitening options. Chris AI provides a detailed explanation of in-office whitening procedures versus at-home kits. Scenario 4, a patient notices bleeding gums and asks Chris AI about gum disease. Chris AI explains the stages of gum disease, from gingivitis to periodontitis, and provides advice on treatment options such as deep cleaning or scaling and root planning. 'Di ba? Ganon si Chris AI kagaling. So let's talk about a conclusion. Chris AI is revolutionizing dental practices by providing intelligent, personalized patient interactions and streamlining operations. And the good thing about it, guys, you're not just going to sell Chris AI sa mga dental clinic owners because you can actually approach or tap other medical industries, okay? Like med spas and derma clinics. So let's talk about the compensation. Okay. So yeah, this is purely commission based, guys. At first, yun yung kagandaan kay Chris AI kasi at first commission based lang siya. Pero pag nakitaan kayo ng potential or nakakabenta kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng $5 na hourly rate. So commission for $250 set of fee. Kasi guys, kapag meron sorry, there are two types of selling here in Chris AI. You can sell here locally, here in the Philippines. Second one is you can sell it abroad. Okay, you can sell it in the US, Canada, UK, name the country. Okay, kahit saan, wherever you want, you can sell Chris AI, even here in Africa or Asia. Okay, sales representative. Okay. So, ang sales representative daw, you will earn 30% commission sa setup fee pa lang. And that's $75 one-time incentive. Sa monthly fee naman, kasi yung clinic na mag-a-avail ng Chris AI after niya magbayad ng setup fee ng $250, magbabayad siya monthly ng $99. And kada buwan, meron ka ring 30% doon, which is $29.70 sa iisang client lang to, guys, ha. So, ang total sales or commission mo per month sa isang client pa lang yan, that's $104.70. Depends on the PayPal conversion. So, hourly rate eligibility, 25 close sales daw, magkakaroon ka ng $5 per hour. Pero yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, updated yon, effective na po yan, kaya napakaswerte nyo kasi 10 close sales, 10 lang po, eligible na kayo sa $5 per hour. Kapag 50 sales, $12 per hour na. 100 close sales, $25 per hour. Okay. So, huwag niyong pansinin to. Pansinin niyo yung sinasabi ko ngayon. Di ba? Mas okay to, guys. Kasi biruin nyo, 10 lang. Napakaswerte nyo kasi binabaan na po yung requirement para maging eligible kayo sa hourly rate. Kasi guys, just to give you an overview, we're talking about AI here. Yung AI po kasi is papasok na dito sa Philippines. And malaki yung potential na yung company na to is magdadala ng napakalaking income dito sa bansa natin. And puro AI din po. Okay? So, we need to prove ourselves na tayo yung deserving na makakuha talaga ng malaking income especially kung mabebenta natin yung Chris AI, talagang pipiliin niyo yung Pilipinas. Okay? Na maging strategic partner when it comes to AI. Yun yung pwede nating maipakita sa ngayon. Okay. So, yeah, compensation details. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, what if nakabenta kayo ng 10 Chris AI in just 1 month? Okay? So, ang total commission niyo is 1,000, sorry, may mga recurring pa pala. So, ang potential earning ninyo in 1 month is 4,537 pesos sa loob ng isang buwan. Magkano yan sa, magkano yan sa pesos? So, kuha tayo ng Caligule para sure. Ayoko manghula. Yon. So, sabi dito, 4,537. Magkano ang conversion niya? Let's say 57 pesos. Grabe. Ang pwede ninyong kitain sa isang buwan is 258,609. Okay, tas eligible ka pa sa $5 per hour. That's gonna be per month. Okay? So yeah, guys, I'm telling you guys, yung AI po na commission based is sobrang ibang-iba po sa mga pwede ninyong kitain talaga. Kasi this is for real. So ngayon pa lang, I'm encouraging you to set up your PayPal account. Okay, PayPal account, guys. Tsaka itong sinasabi ko na $4,537 in 1 month, dito lang yan sa Pilipinas. What if kung gusto niyo magbenta abroad? Ang setup fee po doon, dodoblehin nyo lang lahat to. $500 ang setup fee sa ibang bansa, $199 sa monthly recurring payment nila. And kumikita ka doon ng 30% each commission. So, ang potential earning mo naman per month, kapag nakasampung benta ka na, is $9,087 per month po yan. Okay? So, doble nyo na lang to guys. Kung magkano yun. Times 2 na lang natin yan. Para di tayo mahirapan mag-compute. So, that's going to be 517,000 pesos. Grabe, 'di ba? Sky's the limit. So, the reason why kaya ini-encourage ko rin kayo na makabenta dito sa Chris AI kasi wala naman silang quota. Hindi naman nila kayo i-terminate kung hindi kayo makabenta in 1 month. Kahit 2 months, 3 months, kung ipupush ninyo makabenta, magiging eligible kayo sa $5 per hour. Tawag dito, pag nakasampu kayo. Okay? So yeah, hopefully maging active tayo rito kasi guys, napakalaki talaga ng potential income dito sa company na to, and sa GC na paglilipatan ko sa inyo, nandun po mismo yung CEO ng Chris AI. And yeah, I'm telling you guys na kapag sinabi niya, ginagawa niya talaga. And kapag nakitaan niya kayo na masipag kayo or nakita niya na deserving kayo, wala lang sa kanya guys, kahit maglapag siya ng pera para sa inyo. And meron ngang tinatawag ngayon na cash competition. Yung unang team na makakabenta, meron agad makukuha commission. Or I mean, parang incentive. 'Di ba? Napakasaya guys. Kaya I hope na ma-consider nyo rin tong freelancing job na to kasi grabe, napakalaking opportunity nito. When way back 4 years ago, nag-start ako mag-freelance. Meron kaming tinatawag na ACA before, and grabe, ang liit lang ng commission that time. Pero nakakabenta naman kasi nagko-cold calling kami. Pero kapag hindi ka talaga nakabenta, pagod ka sa pagtatawag, wala kang kikitain. Pero dito kay Chris AI, you have your creative freedom kung paano kayo magbebenta. Wala po tayo yung i-follow na guideline. Wala rin tayong strict na oras sa pagbebenta. Kung kung may work kayo, hindi nyo kailangan mag-resign. Pwede kayo magbenta ng Chris AI anytime na gusto ninyo. Pwede kayo mag-tap ng mga dental clinic owners kung meron kayong kapitbahay, kakilala, kaibigan. Yun, pwede nyo na agad bentahan ng Chris AI. Okay? So, ganun siya kaganda. Pwede rin kayong gumawa ng mga creative posting ninyo kung paano kayo makakabenta. But, yun nga, at your disposal na yon. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. So, yeah, let's talk about Chris Buddy, yung binabanggit ko kanina. So, si Chris Buddy, guys, ito po yung tool na gagamitin ninyo kapag magre-reply kayo or magchat-chat kayo sa mga dental clinic owners. So, pa-confirm ako guys sa baba. Click comment yes kung nakikita niyo yung screen ko. Okay. So, yun, let's talk about Chris Buddy. Si Chris Buddy naman guys, so yun, hindi na rin naman kayo mahihirapan kasi meron kayong katuwang kapag magchat-chat kayo sa mga clients or customer ninyo. Okay? So, for example, gusto na ninyo, okay, bago ko ituro yung Chris Buddy, ngayon pa lang, pumunta na, i-update nyo na yung mga LinkedIn profile ninyo. Okay, update nyo na yung mga LinkedIn profile ninyo kasi ngayon pa lang guys, para makita ninyo kung paano yung gagawin. So, eto guys, yung profile ninyo, pwede nyo nang palit. Make sure guys yung profile nyo dito is mukha nyo talaga. Okay, kasi guys, si Chris AI is a registered company. Legal po tayo. Kaya as much as possible, yung mga sellers po natin is legit din po yung mga mukha nyo sa account ninyo. Hindi po yung mga cartoons, AI, ganun. So yeah, as much as possible. Tapos yung magiging cover photo nyo po is Chris AI. Meron po kami designated, okay? So, yeah, for example, si Lester. Ito po, isa pong seller po dito sa Chris AI. Yan, kung napansin ninyo, meron na siyang posting agad about Chris AI. Tapos yung cover photo niya po is Chris AI din. Okay, ayan, nagtatry siya mag-post para makabenta, ganyan. Tapos kung gusto niyo mag-approach or mag-tap ng mga dental clinic owners, search lang kayo dito guys, dental clinic. Kung gusto niyo abroad, pwede naman. Kung gusto niyo Philippines, Philippines, okay? Parang ganito. Ayan. Clinic Relations Specialist. Kung sa tingin ninyo, ayan, may-ari ito ng dental clinic. Okay, pwede kayong mag-connect sa kanila. Ayan, connect lang guys. Kung alam ninyo or nafe-feel ninyo na relevant or connected siya sa dental clinic, pwede kayong mag-connect. Okay? Remember guys, dito sa LinkedIn, kailangan connected muna kayo bago kayo makapag-PM unless naka-premium yung account ninyo. Okay? Try natin mag-message. Yan. Yun. Okay, pwede yata ako mag-message. Ina-allow niya ako. Okay? So, hello. How are you? Pwedeng yan, lagyan nyo na subject or pwede rin namang walang subject. So, gamitin na natin ngayon si Chris Buddy. Okay. Chris Buddy guys, always start with asking about icebreaker. Okay. Tapos tayo dyan. For example, Jesselyn Bautista. Okay, Jesselyn Bautista, tatap natin. I saw a LinkedIn account. I want to talk to one of their dentist. Her name is Jessie, or let's say she's a doctor, Dr. Jesselyn. Give me an icebreaker. Okay. So, click nyo lang yung submit. Bibigyan kayo ngayon ni Chris AI ng sample icebreaker. So, lagi po tayo mag-i-start sa give me an icebreaker. Okay? Kung hindi ka sure kung paano mo itatap yung doctor or yung clinic owner. So, yeah. Tatanggalin nyo lang yung quote mark, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, or i-copy nyo ito. Hi, Dr. Jesseline. I came across your profile and was impressed by your dedication to patient care. How's everything going at your practice? Any exciting new treatments or technologies you're exploring? Actually, guys, if you're not satisfied with that, you can actually ask Chris Buddy to give you another icebreaker. Okay? Can you give me another icebreaker? Actually, guys, Chris Buddy is not really case sensitive, so if you misspelled some word, it can really understand what you're trying to say. Okay? So there you go. It can actually give you another icebreaker. So it's up to you. You're just going to choose. You're just going to choose which one you preferred the most. Okay. Hello, Dr. Jesseline. I noticed your expertise in dentistry. How's your week going? Have you come across interesting cases recently? Hmm. Yeah, this is another or perfect way to approach this dental clinic owner. Okay, let's go back to, yeah, here, like this one. Hi, hello, Dr. Jesseline. I notice your expertise in dentistry. Always make sure, guys, to paraphrase or edit or tailor your response before sending it to your client or prospect. Okay, yeah, common sense, di ba? Oh, then click send, and you just need to wait for your client or prospect to respond. Okay, you can monitor it. You can just wait for a few hours or a few minutes, and then you can actually monitor it here under messaging. Okay, and then you can now look for another prospect. That's how it works. For example, Dr. Jesseline gave you a reply or response already. She said, Dr. Jesseline said, who are you? Do we know each other? Stranger, like stranger, right? So, siyempre hindi niya tayo kilala. So, baka isipin niya stranger tayo. So, oh sorry. Yung prompt natin, dagdagan natin. Sorry. Okay, we should add, why should I reply? Pero parang naintindihan niya na agad ni Chris AI. Hi, Dr. Jesselyn. We haven't met yet. I'm blah blah blah. And I work with dental practices to help improve patient engagement and streamline operations. I came across your profile and I thought it would be great to connect and share insights. How's your day going? 'Di ba? Maganda din 'to. Pwede niyo na rin 'tong i-paste doon kay Dr. Jesselyn kung ganin yung reply niya. Okay? Pwede 'to. For example, Dr. Jesselyn said, ano yung sinabi niya? Ayun, yun. Okay. Who are you? We don't know each other. Diba? Diba? Ito yung sinabi niya. Who are you? Do we know each other? Ayan na. Example lang guys ha. Ito yung respond ng doctor sa inyo. Tapos ito yung sasabihin mo. Pero syempre, edit mo yan. Tanggalin mo to. I'm Renny Boy. And I work with dental practices to help improve patient engagement and streamline operations. Or pwede nyo ring i-remove yan kung hindi kayo confident sa pagsagot niyan. Pero but since you're working with Chris AI already, pwede nyo naman din sabihin yan. It's up to you. Okay? As long as realistic and believable, why not? So, since meron na nga response na ganyan, what if sinabi ni, yan, halimbawa, nag-start na kayo mag-connect, naging confident or naging comfortable na siya talking to you, she's now comfortable with me. How can I position myself in selling Chris AI? Give me an effective response. So, yeah. Bibigyan tayo ngayon ni Chris AI, or ni Chris Buddy, sorry, ng basic Chris Buddy. Tandaan po natin, always remember that this is going to be for internal use only. Okay? Internal use, kayo lang po yung gagamit ng Chris Buddy. You don't need to show it to your customer. Ang pwede ninyong ipakita sa mga client or customer is yung website ni Chris AI mismo. Okay? Yung website ni Chris AI ay ito po. Ganito po ang itsura niya. Wait lang, nag-loading. Pero yeah, meron na siya magandang response. That's wonderful to hear. Okay, for example, the doctor said, um, yeah, thanks for this, what do you call this, connection. Yeah, I'm now comfortable talking to you, mga ganyan-ganyan. Kapag na-feel ninyo na comfortable na, you can now position yourself in selling Chris AI. So that's wonderful to hear, Dr. Jesselyn. By the way, I work with Chris AI, a tool designed to help dental practices like yours enhance patient engagement and reduce no-shows. It acts as a 24/7 virtual assistant, greeting patients on your website and providing instant answers to their questions. Would you be interested in learning more about how it can benefit your practice? Dr. Jesselyn said she's not interested with AI. So what do you think what do you think is the best rebuttal for this? Okay, with AI, what should I reply? So, yeah, kailangan ulit ng tulong galing kay Chris Buddy. So, generate mo lang yan. What should I reply? Kapag sinabi ni Dr. Jesselyn na she's not interested with AI, I understand, Dr. Jesselyn. AI isn't for everyone. If you ever have any question or need insights or improving patient engagement and streamlining, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Have a great day. Oh, sorry. If you get a response like this from Chris Buddy, um, another prompting is required. Okay? Kasi tinapos niya na agad. Sumuko na agad. Guys, we're sales representative here and we need to learn how to overcome objections. Okay? So, wag natin gagamitin to. Okay? Kasi parang sumuko na siya agad, nag-give up na siya agad. So, you can ask another reply. Can you give me another response? I'm not giving up selling quiz AI to Dr. Jesseline. So, yeah. Let's ask for another response from Chris Buddy. I totally get it, Dr. Jesseline. AI can seem a bit overwhelming at first. Just out of curiosity, what are some of the challenges you're currently facing in your practice? Maybe there's a way Chris AI can help without being too intrusive. Yeah, that's how it works, guys. So, merong ibibigay pa rin sa inyo si Chris Buddy na makakatulong sa inyo kung paano ninyo ipoposition yung sarili ninyo sa pagbebenta nito. Okay? So yeah, kapag inatake mo yung pain points ng dental clinic na yan, talagang mapapao at mapapao niyan. Okay? So yeah, I think that's it guys. At least medyo along the way naman habang andito na kayo sa kabilang GC, there are cases na role play kayo ng ka-team ninyo. Okay? Para ma-practice kayo on how to use Chris AI. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, as soon as we finish this video, as soon as we finish this training, pwede na kayong pumunta sa LinkedIn account ninyo. Okay, sa LinkedIn account ninyo, tapos i-update nyo na po yung details nyo doon. Okay, just make sure na yung profile ninyo is yung picture nyo talaga, pati sa Skype, tapos yung cover photo ninyo is papalitan ninyo ng Chris AI. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it guys. Hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo or may natutunan po kayo when it comes to Chris AI kasi hindi naman po talaga siya sobrang komplikado. More on what do you call this? Self-explanatory na halos lahat. Okay, so it's up to you kung saan nyo gusto saan nyo mas preferred magbenta here locally in the Philippines or abroad. Pero ang payo ko sa inyo, once you go to our hard GC, just make sure to speak in English at all times. Okay, do not speak in vernacular or be active and always be engaged. Okay, we will do our best din na matulungan kayo para makabenta. Kasi guys, the earning opportunity here is big. And the client that we have is napakalaki. Kung kilala nyo si Tim, Timo is the CEO of Freeze AI. He's also the founder of Ayuzera. He has 8 portfolio around the world. Marami po siyang inandal na businesses. And napakalaki po ng network nitong tao na to kasi nga tawag dito, marami siyang inandal na business. And capitalist investor po siya. Venture capitalist investor. And yan. And since gusto niyang ipasok yung AI dito sa Philippines, actually guys, yung unang Chris AI kasi talaga is meron silang hourly rate. It's just that hindi kasi nakakabenta yung mga tao. So we need to redeem the trust of this client, of our partner, para alam niyo, tawag dito, bumalik yung tiwala niya at mabigyan lahat ng mga empleyado na magkaroon ng hourly rate ulit na $5 per hour. Pero syempre, kailangan nating i-prove sa kanya muna. Alam niyo yun, treat this as a nesting period, probationary period, 'di ba? Kasi wala namang mawawala sa atin or hindi naman masama siguro kung mag-try tayo magbenta here in Quiz AI kasi enjoyful to kasi chat lang siya guys. Tapos meron pa kayong katuwang which is Chris Buddy. Tapos pwede na kayo mag-approach mamaya agad-agad sa Facebook, mga Facebook group, Facebook community, or sa LinkedIn, Instagram, name the platform kung saan nyo gusto magbenta. Pwedeng-pwede na po kayo mag-DM. Okay? And just don't forget to use Chris Buddy and ask for a good icebreaker para hindi po kayo mahiyang mag-approach. Okay? Pero pwede rin naman kung may naisip kayong ibang taktika, strategy, like email marketing, it's up to you on how are you going to do that. Pero ang payo ko sa inyo muna, since we're starting here, pwede po tayo mag-DM-DM lang muna like this. Okay? So, ngayon pa lang guys, congratulations everyone. Thank you so much at natapos nyo tong video na to. You are now officially hired in Chris AI as sales representative and start na po kayo agad. Pwede na po kayo mag-DM. And if na, hindi pa kayo confident, if you're not confident yet, pwede naman po tayo mag-practice sa mga GC with our leaders. Okay, may mga team tayo, may mga managers din tayo na mag-a-assist sa inyo all the time kung may mga questions kayo. We're here to we're here to answer. Okay? And yeah, by the way, this is just a level 1 training na sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea or overview about Chris AI. Kasi yung level 2 training guys, it requires at least 1 week for you to learn how to demonstrate the actual Chris AI to the client. As of now, our main goal is to bring your client kahit mapa-appointment nyo lang siya. Okay? Appointment na interesado sila sa Chris AI, and then talk to our manager. Kapag nakapasa or nag-close ng sale, automatic commission kayo. And yung setup fee, yung commission sa setup fee, 1 week lang makukuha nyo na agad. So, weekly po ang setup fee commission natin. Pero yung monthly, syempre monthly rin po yun. Yung recurring payment. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na po siya. As long as nakasubscribe pa rin yung dental clinic kay Chris AI. Under po yan sa pangalan mo. Automatic yan. Okay? So yeah, hopefully makapagbenta kayo agad guys. Kasi kahit ako na-excite ako, no? Kung sino man yung unang makakabenta right after this training, automatic. Itap mo lang ako, malalaman ko rin naman agad yan kasi may manager na magde-demo dun sa client mo. Pag nag-close, nakapag-subscribe, automatic, may 3K ka sa akin. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Hopefully, mag-enjoy kayo dito sa Chris AI. Ang tanging hiling ko lang is maging active po tayo lagi. And kapag pumasok po tayo sa hard GC, i-greet natin yung poging. Okay, we have the handsome CEO there. His name is Timothy Ngo. Okay? His name is Tim. Just say hi to him. Okay? And do not talk nonsense topics okay, inside the GC. Huwag po tayo wag din tayo mag-ano ng mga vernacular or profanity. Ingat po tayo. Okay? Just be professional at all times. Okay? So yeah, may mga questions ba kayo? Let's address your questions dito sa comment section natin. Do we use our personal accounts to sell or are there designated logins for us to use? You can use your personal accounts. Facebook account, LinkedIn account, use it. Okay? Just make sure na kung ano yung picture or mukha ninyo, yun po talaga yung nakalagay doon. Okay? Wow, congratulations everyone. Yep, congratulations everyone. So this offer of Chris AI works only with dental clinics with websites. Right. Tama po, with website po. Kapag wala pong website, yung dental clinic or dental clinic, pag wala silang website, hindi po tayo makakapag-benta sa kanila. Ang may offer natin sa kanila is tayo po ang gagawa ng website para sa kanila. Okay, pwede po tayo mag-offer ng website for them. And meron din po kayong commission doon kapag napapayag nyo sila na tayo yung gagawa ng website for them. Okay? So, may question pa tayo? So this one, yeah. How do we know if a particular clinic has been offered Chris AI by another representative? Makikita nyo naman guys sa website nila. Makikita nyo sa website nila kung meron na nag-ooperate na Chris AI. Okay, makikita nyo doon. Tsaka tawag dito, hindi na siya mag-avail, syempre. Kumbaga, hindi na siya mag-avail. Ibig sabihin mo is, paano mo malalaman kung yung clinic na yun? Actually, kokonti pa lang yung merong Chris AI dito sa Pilipinas or sa abroad. Kaya nga po, ang goal natin ngayon is mapakilala sa buong Pilipinas si Chris AI. And, kasi guys, katulad na nabanggit ko kanina, talagang lumalaki na yung AI industry sa buong mundo. Kung sino man yung mga dental clinic na mauuna sa competition talaga, sila po yung mga mag-i-scale yung business in the future. Okay? If we can sell for a month, do we get anything or no? Kapag wala pong benta, syempre wala po tayong commission. Okay? Kaya po ipo-push natin or ang i-goal natin is makabenta po or maka-close tayo ng sale. Kasi kahit makasampu lang tayo, halimbawa this month makasampu kayo. Okay? Magiging eligible na kayo sa $5 per hour. So, monthly, meron na po kayong monthly salary nun. Hindi rin po kayo required na makabenta ng 10 next month kasi nga meron na kayong monthly salary. Hindi na namin kayo i-require na makabenta ng another 10 sa susunod na buwan. Okay? wala po tayong quota. Okay? Hindi po ginawa yung business structure na to para pressure ng mga tao. Kaya nga po sabi ko sa inyo, you have your flexible time. Kahit anong oras kayo pwede magbenta. And is there a possible na magkaroon ng agawan ng client? Hindi po, kasi meron po kaming tracker, meron din tayong record, and you can also track your client. We are making sure na kapag client mo lang, hindi pwedeng ibigay sa iba. Okay? May ibibigay po ba na script na pwedeng gamitin sa pag-post? Wala. Okay, wala tayong posting. Pwede po kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong posting. Okay? At your disposal po yan kung paano nyo po i-strategize yung pagpo-post. Kasi actually, ang pinaka-preferred natin sa ngayon is chatting lang, okay? DMing lang. Pero syempre, gusto nyo rin makabenta, it's up to you. Kung gusto ninyong gamitin yung mga social media platform ninyo para mag-promote or para makabenta ng Chris AI, wala pong problema. It's up to you guys, okay? It was mentioned that every clinic has different requirements. How can we make the owner of the clinic understand that Chris AI's response is tailored to the requirements of their clinic? Yeah, like what I mentioned guys, after ninyong makausap yung dental clinic owner, pag interesado na siya, i meron pong magde-demo kung paano po papaganahin yung Chris AI sa website nila. Kasi guys, ganito po ang sistema. Kapag pumayag po ang isang dental clinic owner, lahat ng information, magkakaroon kasi ng interview yan, i-interviewin yung dental clinic owner, aalamin kung ano ba yung pricing, costing, policy, yung mga dental practices doon sa clinic nila, yun po yung ipapasok lahat sa Chris AI para maging accurate yung responses niya sa mga customers nila doon sa specific na clinic lang na yun. Okay, ganun po siya. Meron tayong level 2 mga managers na magde-demo nun. Okay, so our goal is makapag-set up ng appointment or mapademo natin yung mga managers natin sa kanila. At kapag nag-agree, that's the time na close yung deal, meron na po kayong commission automatic. Okay? So, ano pang tanong? Is there a possible na magkaroon ng agawan sa client? Sorry, nasagot na. Wala naman po. Hindi naman po nangyayari yan, okay? Kasi we're making sure na kapag client mo lang. Dahil meron din tayong tracker and we're trying to establish a CRM na rin. Okay? Wala po tayong script na gagamitin sa pag-post. I was late to enter. Did you already mention where or how to access Quiz Buddy? Yes, meron na po akong ito po, pwede nyo na rin pong i-access to, chrisbuddy.com. Yan. Ito po yung itsura ng website ni Chris AI. Yan, pwede nyo rin pong i-demo to. Ganito po kaganda ang website ni Chris AI. Okay? So, yeah. Hopefully, na-address ko na yung mga concerns ninyo. Sasend ko rin po sa pinaka GC. Okay, nandun lang po sa GC ng hard training. Tapos try ko na rin ilapag dito. Wait lang, nasa ba yung chat? Parang di ko makita yung chat option dito sa ano. Yun. So, ito guys, chrisbuddy.com. Ngayon pa lang, i-save nyo na sa mga notepad ninyo. Yan. Save nyo na sa mga notepad ninyo. Guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be big in the future. Magiging malaking company to. And actually, si Kuya Rene Boy, I'm part of the strategic partnership with Chris AI right now. And yung mga investor ng AI, talagang malalaki po. Okay, malalaki. Basta mababalitaan nyo na lang sa mga susunod na buwan yung mga papasok na mga investor dito about AI. And kung kasama namin kayo dito pa lang, automatic, syempre, kayo yung pipiliin din namin kapag nagkaroon na ng maraming opportunity na AI dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi guys, AI is not the future. AI is now. It's happening now. Hindi siya mangyayari sa future. So, lahat ng mga business na sumasabay ngayon, actually, sila yung mag-i-scale talaga in the future. Kasi ngayon pa lang, inuumpisahan na nila. Okay? So, yeah, ito yung Chris Buddy na link. Click nyo na lang. So, yeah, I'm sharing you this opportunity kasi malaki talaga ang opportunity to. Yung nabanggit ko sa inyong amount kanina, that's the actual amount that you can earn kung ma-reach ninyo yung eligibility So yeah, ngayon pa lang guys, you should develop your sales skills. Develop nyo na yan. Kung hindi kung mahihain kayo magbenta guys, ang pera po ay nasa sales talaga. Wala po sa 8 to 5 na trabaho, yung mga basic na salary. Okay? Why we can integrate the AI into Facebook Messenger? Hindi pa po natin siya na-finalize ngayon. More on integration sa website lang muna. Okay? Kasi sa Facebook, sir, meron na po kasing mga automated responses. 'Di ba? Like ManyChat, WeChat, mga ganun-ganon. Meron na po kasing mga tawag dito, may mga nagagamit na na automation doon. Unlike kapag sa website, dito na po natin may integrate yung mga AI. Kasi 'di ba si Meta meron din siyang sariling AI, 'di ba? Ito po kasi is integration lang po sa website. Pero pwede po nating i-divert yung website na yon. Pwede po what do you call this, i-customize yung website ay yung Chris AI na papuntahin sa Facebook page yung mga customer nila. Ganun po yun, sir. Okay, pwede po i-customize, ang sasabihin ni Chris AI, kung gusto niyo na mag-book ng appointment, punta lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. Ito yung available na oras na bukas yung clinic namin. Basta guys, maraming pwedeng gawin sa Chris AI na talagang mababaliw yung mga dental clinic owners. No worries guys, everything will be discussed during training. Papakita namin sa inyo yung mga effective rebuttals and techniques kung paano kayo makakabenta. So I hope you guys na maging active all the time dun sa mga GC natin. So congratulations everyone. Kita-kits po dito sa Chris AI. Okay? Bye for now. Bye guys. Gusto niyo selfie muna tayo? Sorry, nag-out na yata yung iba. Selfie muna tayo pala guys. Anyone magkusa tuloy. Anyone na magpindot diyan guys, mag-share. Kasi hindi ko mapindot sa akin eh. Nasa mobile yung camera ko kasi. Game guys ha. Anyone? May mag-volunteer? Miss Manilyn, ikaw po ba? Mag-volunteer ka? So, tara, let's take a photo. Game. Hello, Ma'am Ricanel. Hello, Rosemary. Yeah, congratulations guys. Welcome po sa Chris AI. Tara, selfie tayo. Isang bagsak. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sige, hawakan ko na lang. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sa inyo na lang guys sa GC natin ha. Yung mga naka-attend po. Bye guys. Welcome po sa Chris AI.